have to like put it. You have to put it like so they're all in one picture. They have to be in the same order. So they look like the picture of the Pokemon card. This is a Charmander. This is a Mime. This Skull. Seal. Primate. And I got a lot of fun Pokemon I'm able to do with this. And so that's how you get a piece of tape. It doesn't like it has usually like around this big. I don't know, like an inch or two. And then you make it round so it's like kind of like this. You see? So it's like a wraparound button. It's like it can be attached to the back. And then you do that for the rest of them and put them in order, like on everything you want, like that, with the part of the tape attached to it, so it's not attached. And there you go. That's how you do it. We're gonna fast forward this, and if we recommend you guys pause this and just get on with having fun. Okay, this is the end of this is what it's supposed to look like at the end. Well, I mean, it could look, this is the general idea on how it's supposed to. If you messed up, it doesn't matter, just go back, and if you missed a part, just go back and look at that part. And if you, like, don't really want to get rid of any Pokemon cards, I'll be selling, like, bundles of like 200 of these pictures of Pokemon, so you can make these on eBay, other selling places, and yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and that is how to make a Pokemon card Rubiks Cube. Bye. Thank you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And thank you for watching this video. It means a lot to us. And as I'll give a special thanks to Kabumi, our helper and editor of this video. Thank you so much, Kabumi.